I'm Anil Kumar. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and writing excellent remarks. Special thanks to Mr. Dylan, who has sent this email along with 3 excellent questions. I'm going to provide solutions of all the 3 questions in these coming videos. Here is one of the best which none of my student has ever solved in their first attempt. It is from the textbook of grade 11, page 318, question number 4, relating median with sides of the triangle. The question is, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are of lengths 4 and 7 respectively. The median AM is of length 3.5. Find the length B2C. Now there is a formula which relates them all. We'll actually derive this formula in this video. So we can write that AM is basically equal to half of square root of 2 times these side lengths, AB square plus 2 times AC square minus BC square. So this formula can be directly applied to solve, and now you want to find BC, AB, AM and AC. Substituting the values, you can always find the answer to be 9. Perfect. But the great thing is, how do we derive this formula? That is the unique part. So let's see, how do we derive this particular formula? Okay. So now the question is, how do you relate length of the median AM with the side lengths of the triangle ABC? So let's sketch a general triangle ABC, right? And median is joining with the middle point. So let's say this is the midpoint M. So we have this triangle ABC joining M, the midpoint, so that these two sides are equal. Now, in a triangle, we want to relate the given sides with the median. So when the sides are there, we can always apply the cosine law. Now, if this angle here is theta, for example, in that case, we can say AB square is equal to BM square plus AM square minus 2 times BM AM cos of theta. On the other side, this angle here will be 180 degrees minus theta, correct? So we can relate this triangle with that angle using cosine law. So now we get AC square is equal to MC square plus AM square, okay, let me write MA square, minus 2 times MC AM cos of 180 degrees minus theta. Now cos of 180 degrees minus theta is minus of cos theta. So I could always write this as MC square plus AM square, let me write again, plus 2 times MCAM cos of theta, right? So we get AC square is this. Let's call this as our equation 1, that as equation 2. Now if I add these two equations, then the cos terms cancel, right? So we are doing equation 1 plus equation 2. That gives us AB square plus AC square equals to BM square plus AM square plus MC square plus AM square, correct? Now BM is equal to MC, right? BM and MC are equal, right? So we get 2 of BM square plus 2 of AM square, right? Now BM and MC are equal, so their sum is actually BC. So twice BM square. We could write, actually, let me read as you could also write like this. This is also an important formula to remember. 2 is common, right? Okay, so we get one formula of the form AB square plus AC square. I mean, AB square plus AC square is twice one of the sides square plus AM square. Do you see that? So that's a very interesting formula. So we can use this also formula to solve, or rather relate AM, which is the median length, with the sides of the triangle, correct? So have a good look at it. AB, one side, is actually C, right? AC is the other side B, right? Is that clear to you, right? So you could also write this as C squared. This is like, let me write like this. AB is, this side is, we normally say C, this C, A, this is as A, right? So we can always write AB as C squared plus AC square is B squared plus 2 times BM. So BM is half of A. BM is half of A, let me write like this, whole square, plus AM. A to M is the median, right? So plus AM square. Now this formula can be rearranged to find what AM is, the way I had written earlier, right? So what we could do now is dividing this by 2, we get half of C square plus half of B square is equal to, when you square this, you get 1/4 of A square plus AM square, right? Now, bringing this to the left side, we get half of C square plus half of B square minus 1/4 of A square is equal to AM square. Correct? Now, taking 1/4 common, so we get 1/4 common, right? Here we get 2 times C square plus 2 times B square minus A square equals to AM square. AM square will be square root of this, right? So let me just push this a bit forward and write the formula. Finally, AM is equal to square root of this, which is half of square root, because square root of 1/4 is half, 2C square plus 2B square minus A square. Is that clear to you? So we have derived the formula. Let us now apply this formula to find the solution. Question once again is, the sides AB and AC of the triangle ABC are of the length 4 and 7 respectively. So let me again sketch, we'll make a different diagram. Okay, we are given one side as, this is 4 and 7. Let's say this is B and C. So 4 and 7. And we are given that the median AM is 3.5. This length is 3.5. A to M. Find the length of B to C, right? So we just derived what B to C is. We can again apply the cosine law and do it if you want to. Since we know the formula now, let's say AM, we found that this median length is equal to half of square root of this square, which is 2 times AB square plus 2 times AC square minus BM square, right? Only 1 times BC square, sorry. Right? BC square, the side which we want to find. So in this case, we want to find BC. We know all other things. AM is given to us as 3.5 equals to half of square root of 2 times AB is given to us as 4 plus 2 times 7 square minus BC square, which we need to find. So let's cross multiply. So we get 2 times 3.5 and then we'll square it, right? So we have here within square root 2 times 16 plus 2 times 49 minus BC square, right? Square root. So that is 7. 2 times this is 7. We'll square this. So we get 49 equals to, open this. So when you open this, you get 32 plus 98 minus BC square, correct? Now bringing BC square to the left side, we get 32 plus 98 minus 49, which is equal to, so when you do 32, let's use calculator if you want to, we have 32 plus 98 minus 49 is equal to 81, right? So BC is square root of 81. Since it is length, it is always positive, and BC should be 9. Is that clear to you? Perfect. So that is how we get our solution to this particular question. So once again, let me thank all the subscribers and especially Mr. Dylan who has shared this question with us. And see, using this formula, we do get our answer as 9, right? So if you know the formula, it is like a 1 minute thing to find the solution. Now this is indeed a very important question which you can see in multiple choice questions at times. I hope it helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'll be great. Thank you.